These are the most useful headphones I ever had for traveling. It's noise cancellation, it's perfect for airplane noise, surrounding area. As you can see, it's very crowded in the airplane, but this automatically tunes everything out.
All right, let's go ahead and review the earbuds. First of all, one of the great things I like about it is that you could change the different tones that you have in here. So for example, if you're on noise cancellation, you can cancel, clear everything else, all the noises, all right? A magnetic entrance, if you guys can see that, I love this thing about that. So one of the best things apart, I'm gonna show you guys what else it can do. So you can control your earbuds volume control from the actual touch. There are touch based on there, right? There's a touch features in here. So once noise cancellation, you could turn it on, you could turn it off. When you first turn them on, the first message you get will be the actual battery voltage, right? How much battery life you have left and so forth. And that's one of the great things I like about that. Out of the bat, they're gonna tell you. Bluetooth enabled, of course. Clear Bluetooth. That's one of the best clear Bluetooths I've had. Small and thorough to begin with. So let me show you another great thing about this thing, right? All right, the best thing I like about them, here's actually my AirPods, all right? And these are the actual, look at the size of them, half of the size smaller, all right? They're about the same weight, all right? Now, the advantage of these is that on these, you're gonna require your actual connection. That means you're gonna require power to connect these, all right? And you need a cable, you need a source of power and all that stuff to go with it, right? Now, on this part right here, look at this. It has this built-in Type-C already embedded in here. So all you got to do is find your Type-C connection, plug it in, don't have to worry about cables, and it starts charging automatically. So that's one great thing I like about it. You see it's red right here, it's charging automatically. Going on it, you disconnect it, and there it is. Now, the difference between this is that you're going to require cables on this one, and you don't require any cables whatsoever on here because it has it built in here. It'll last you for many hours, even longer than the actual AirPods, all right? So the AirPods are a little bulky, you know, larger entrances. Magnetic wise, they both have the magnetic wise. This actually takes less space in your pockets than this, all right? So very simple, easy to use, fits in the palm of your hand. I hope you guys enjoy the video.